Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some clips I've done October of the last year with my friends. But first some premise before we start with the video. Back then I didn't intend to post it on YouTube. So unfortunately I recorded everything vertically. Yes, it's the worst format for YouTube, so I understand if you don't like it and if you feel a little bit annoying watching it. But to me, this video was too much fun to not to post it because of this reason. I hope you will still enjoy it. Thank you and have a good watch. Dove stiamo andando?
Non lo so, posto molto figo però.
Sì.
Se arriviamo su e paga tutto la fatica che stiamo facendo ora, top.
Lo credo anche io.
Oh, si sta scaldando.
Top. All set. So già. Posso mi cazzo. Cagare. Hello everybody, and to make it simple, we are in a tent, maybe in a bit of a tiny windstorm, and it's a lot of noise. We skipped the part where we did the tent, but I have some photos where you're gonna see it right here, maybe right here. I don't know. As you can see, it's very windy and the light don't function as well as it used to. I don't know why. Anyway, it's gonna shut down any minute now, but don't worry. We are in a tent. It's a tent from Saleva. Please Saleva sponsor me because we are very mountaineer people and very strong people. And fuck this light. Saleva, please buy me a new
Send me a new light.
I fucking hate this light because it's from Amazon. Fuck Amazon, I hate Amazon.
Amazon.
Amazon sponsor me. Cut. Yeah, it's a very good. It's a very goodish yellow tent, I think, and I like it because it's yellow and cozy. And has a moon roof, and I was joking, it hasn't, but it has a moon. It has a moon door.
Moon panorama.
and outside currently is very dark.
Yeah, it's like
It's like
8 p.m.
Oh shit!
Fucking hell.
It's very difficult even to open.
From inside, it's very difficult. Yeah.
Wow!
You see
so much
outside,
wind.
we see nothing. It's
You
so
can't
dark.
see nothing. It's so dark. Behind me, it's very lot of volcan clouds, and right there you can see a little bit of the tiny village. There are mountains, but it's very dark. It's fucking dark outside. There it's full of clouds, full of everything. Anyway, hope you enjoy. I'm gonna take you on the next trip in the morning to watch the sunrise, hopefully, and bye. Where the hell is the light?
Huh?
I'm making the videos. Obviously the light doesn't go anymore. Good morning. Tonight was pretty horrifying. There was wind, snow, rain. I think I heard a little bit of goats walking beside us, beside the tent, and you can see how this is all snow outside. I'm going to take a look. Hopefully there is nothing to worry about, but we made it through the night. It was pretty awesome, but maybe not the best time to go camping. Damn, it snowed a lot. I didn't expect this type of weather, especially today. It was pretty intense. Anyway, we are gonna head inside probably.
Freddo di merda, però è bellissimo. Bellissimo. Vai in video due. più assoluto e ha nevicato.
Sì.
No.
Siamo andati in tenda con l'autunno, siamo usciti che era inverno.
So we did it. We managed to get ourselves here to where we started. I mean, not where we started, but one of the checkpoint on where is the most easy part to go down. So from here to where the lake starts, we managed to go up there, right in the middle of this little grass patch, until we were at the top. But at the top were a lot of stones, so we needed to climb a little bit. Then we did the campsite up there, right on the top of the mountain. And this is only a little bit of the time we spent here climbing this mountain, hiking this mountain, but it was surely the most difficult part because there weren't any sort of tiny streets where you can go with ease in the mountain, but there was only tiny trees and a lot of stones, so it was very difficult.
I want to thank everybody who managed to watch my video till this point. Plus, I really want to thank the people who wrote all the beautiful comments in the previous video. It is a source of inspiration for me. So thank you again, and see you in the next video. Bye!